Hey guys, so doing a little quick reboot here of a car. Actually, not a reboot. Just installing Windows 10 for free. That's how I'll name the video. This is installing Windows 10 for free. A little bit to get the ISO Windows 10 from Microsoft and install it on this thumb drive or USB drive. And as long as you have a Windows PC, usually Windows 7 or newer. I haven't tried it with Windows XP, but I've tried it with Windows 7, Windows 8, and it works just fine. Most of the time I don't even need a key, but I have a bunch of keys already, so this one I shouldn't need a key. So what you want to do is I'll try to make a video later about putting the ISO on the USB drive, but for those of you, you can watch YouTube videos on how to do that. Once you do that, you want to plug it into your computer and restart it, and you want to hit F12 until you get to the boot menu. Different boot menus look different. The screen before this, you want to hit exit. It's going to say something about maybe internet or something like that. I can't necessarily remember precisely, but before this screen right here, continue booting all this other stuff, because you don't want to continue to boot. If you hit continue to boot, it's going to boot from the hard drive. You want to do boot menu, enter. And then you want to do General UDisk. Now it's going to boot from this. Now it's going to pull the ISO file, see? Now me personally, I want to erase everything on here. I don't want anything on this laptop, but say you just wanted to just upgrade and you had a bunch of family photos and things like that, you would just hit the regular upgrade install. But this one is probably going to give me two options, and those options will be custom install or just the upgrade. I want to do the custom install because I want to install everything completely new. So we're going to hit next. We're going to hit install now. Get some more light. How much more light? Media driver. Your computer needs is missing. This could be DVD, USB, or hard disk. Driver, if you have a CD or USB or flash drive with the driver in it, please insert it. If installation media from Windows is in a DVD drive or USB drive, you can carefully move it. No, that's fine. We just want to hit OK. No device found, installation, okay, that's fine. Let's try rescan. Let's try browse. I haven't seen this before. Let's try USB. Let's hit OK. I've never seen this before. I'm going to try this in a different port. I've seen this one time before actually, and I had it in the wrong port. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm going to try and do anything USB in the last video and see if it works. What I did was just cancel out of it, hit install again, and it brought me right to this screen. Whereas when you saw the last time, it didn't bring me to this screen. So now it looks like everything is good to go. I don't know what that was, and that, I promise you, I didn't do anything in between the pause. All I did was cancel out, just accepted, hey, I couldn't move forward. Went back, it still gave me the install now option. I clicked install now and it brought me here. So see this right here, if you want to keep everything on your computer, on your hard drive, you would do upgrade. I don't want to do that. I want to install Windows only. And then this right here is my partitions. That's a pretty big partition. But I'll just do the gigabytes. See here, next isn't, I'm not able to highlight next. Let's get here to focus. I'm not able to click next. So I want to format. I can't format. So if you cannot format, you want to delete, which I'm going to do. Hit delete. Okay, that's fine. I don't care about any of that. Delete. Okay. Now we're going to click New. We're going to apply the whole 237 gigs. Boom. Now I can hit Next and proceed with the install. Again, this is how to set up Windows 10 for free on any computer. I apologize, not on any computer. Whether or not you're upgrading or not, or whether or not the computer, if you have a login or anything, that's fine. Whatever, if somebody just gives your computer and says, oh, this computer's crap, it's probably not crap. It probably has old Windows 7 or Windows 8 on it, which weren't the best operating systems. I swear by Windows 10. I really enjoy Windows 10. It's very simple. It's not too demanding. Computers pretty old can manage Windows 10. This one's an i5, Intel i5 core processor. You don't have to have a crazy machine in order to run Windows 10. It's pretty light. It's not too demanding. And yeah, this is how to install Windows 10 for free. You don't need to buy it from the store. Don't buy it. Just download the ISO. There's plenty of videos out there how to get the ISO. I forgot what software that I used to put the ISO on the USB drive, but this is it. After this, it's just going to install. Then you just keep clicking next and just accept any features that you would like. But maybe I'll make another video on how to put the ISO file on the USB drive, but that's it. Once you get the ISO file on the USB drive, you can plug it into any computer, or, you know, from what I've seen, any Windows 7, Windows 8 computer, plug it in, restart it. Don't restart it, turn it off completely, then turn it back on and just keep hitting F12. I just continue to hit F12, keep hitting F12. It'll bring you to that boot menu that you saw in the last video, in the beginning of the last video. If it gives you an option that doesn't say continue or different boot menu, if it doesn't give you a bunch of options, just hit the escape button. It'll bring you to the main page. For some reason, it kind of starts at a landing page, but that landing page isn't the home page. So that's it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory from here. If you have any questions, just comment down below. This is about the third video, or this is the third video of the Windows 10 for free install. I'm in the United States, so I'm gonna click next, or yes. Yes, US keyboard. No, I don't want to add. Maybe because I'm not on the network, I can connect later. I'm gonna click I don't have internet. I'll do all this stuff later. Continue with limited setup. I don't like anything Microsoft, so I'm gonna totally click out of this. I don't need it. Continue with limited setup. I have a person who is going to be using this, so I will type that person's name in. Next, it will ask you for password. I will do that. Then it's going to ask you for the security questions after the password. I do the same thing. I put a city. I do the first question, and then I just put the same city for every answer. One, two, and then one more. I don't care about the question because the answer is always going to be the same. Bam. Got through that. No, I don't need any of this stuff. I decline. accept. There we go. Let it do its thing. After it does its thing, it'll pop up with Windows 10. From there, you can hook up to the Wi-Fi and set it up however you need to. I'll do that. I just want to show you guys the basics that you do not need to pay for Windows. You do not need to pay for Windows 10. Do not pay for Windows 10. You can download the ISO file for free. From there, put it on a USB drive, and then after that, install it on the computer that you need. All right, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.